Hello everyone, my name is Sai Kalyan Meghavat and my roll number is 20EC10070 and I'm from section 7. So for this week's DIY assignment, I'm going to disassemble this computer mouse that I have here. This is an old mouse that I'm currently not using, but it's still in working condition. So now this mouse has only one screw at the bottom. There was a warranty seal over here. I've removed it, and so let's disassemble this mouse. I'll start by unscrewing this. Alright, the screw, I'll keep it aside, this screw for now, and I'll slowly remove this upper part. Yeah, I'll keep this aside for the moment. Now on the main board, if I remove this, I can remove this as well and separate this part. Now I'll keep this aside as well. Yeah, so coming to the main part, let me start explaining by this one. So this is my USB wire that is over here that I connect to the computer. Now when I connect that USB to the computer, now when the power will go through this pin, this is basically soldered onto the board, so I cannot remove this pin. Then when I plug in, like put in the USB into the PC, this LED right here will continuously blink. Now what this basically does is, now I have the bottom part. Now this particular part right here is our, you can say, the most important for our mouse. So this goes in like this, in this manner. Now this LED right here, when it starts blinking, this plastic piece that I have here acts as a refractor, you can say. So basically what this does is, this will take the LED's light and project it on the bottom of our mouse. Now when the light is projected on the bottom, now if I move the mouse in either y direction or any x direction, so at the bottom, the light that is refracted over here by this plastic part will be present over here, and that light basically acts like a signal for this one. If I remove this, this particular part right here, this is a sensor that detects the light that has been refracted, and that it takes as a signal for itself, analog signal that is. Now this particular piece will convert the, like this particular piece of our circuit will convert the analog signal into digital signal for our computer. And now coming to the buttons that we have on a mouse, this is my left click button. I'm not sure if it is audible, and this particularly our right click, and this over here, the other red one, the middle click button. Now if I remove this one, it comes like this. This is our scroll button, and basically the middle button, as I just mentioned. Now this mouse, usually the latest mouse have the infrared sensor where if I rotate the scroll button, it's going to detect it via a infrared sensor. But my model, this particular mouse has a different kind of mechanism. I'll just show it in a second. Now let me put it back in here. Just a second. Yeah. Now as you can see here, now if I rotate this mouse, there is a part that is moving over here that sends the signal to this particular metal wire, and that is how the scroll feature is detected on the circuit board. And now I'll just assemble it back by starting like this, putting this piece over here in place, and just putting in everything back in just as it was. carefully so that I do not damage the wire. Just fit it in, and finally I'll take the screw that I had. I'll screw it back. Okay, tight enough for now. Now I'll connect this to the laptop that I have in front of me. I'll show you in a bit. Yeah, so this mouse right here, as you can see, as I mentioned, this is the light that is being generated by the LED and refracted by the plastic piece that we had. Now when I put it down in terms of my X or Y direction, my mouse is moving here. So I'll just show it together. If I move it in X direction, it goes like this, and Y direction like this. So that is it for this video. Thank you.